Hello teachers, I'm Ya. I'm very excited to share you how to use Google Drive and how to organize your folder in Google Drive. So let's begin. So everyone can open the browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So I open with Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome. I click on my name here. So I use another browsers, another folders example here. So you you can use any account. In here I have many accounts. I do really like store my document in Google Drive. It is very convenient and it is very easy. So let's begin. So everyone clicks on the Google Apps here. Click on the Google Apps and then you go to the Drive, and then here in the Drive, in my Drive, you click here, example here. This is my uh, documents. I click on the WAC program. I click on year 1 here. If I am teaching math, I'm click on these folders. I create here uh, assessments and tests. I think wrong spelling. Assessment and tests. Assessments and tests. Okay, I create this one, and then later on I'm going to upload the document in these folders. You can click on your on this, and then you can upload file, or can say file upload, or you can minimize this folder down like this, and then you go to open your docs in your computer. I click on PharmaIS, and then I go to the curriculum here. I go to the WAC, and then I go to, oh no, not in this folder. Sorry, I need to move a little bit here. I go to assessment here. I put here assessment and test. I click here. I go to the WAC. I go to math here, mathematics, and then you can upload both a PDF or words. Example, I want to upload this document. This one I don't really want to upload it. I just click on this button. I click Control. I press Control. I click this, 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 and this one, and then click on this, and then you press on your left of your mouse or your cursor, your mouse here, click this, and then you scroll with, and then you click on this, and then you press move or make a copy to these folders. Okay, so it gonna be automatically uploaded into these folders. You see, you can see now here it is uploading. Or if this is not really convenient, example, I delete here March year 1, I delete like this, and then you can upload through this one. You click on your right mouse, and then you choose the word file upload, and then you go to the folder, you go to curriculum, you go to assessment and test, you go to WAC, you go to math, you click here for year 1 here, you click on this and then you upload. So it's gonna be uploaded into this folder. Please come back here. This is for year 1, but some of the document that I have uploaded is also with year 2 and year 3. So you come back here in year 1, you can move back the document that you just uploaded in this folder. You can move back here. You go to math here, you go to assessment and test, you click on this, and then you can cut this one out. This is not in this folder, you cut out. Okay, you see here 2 items, cut to clip it. So you move back here, you move back, you move back here, you click on here year 2 math. Okay, you can create a folder here, test and assessment. So you click on this and you click this and you control V here, you can say paste on this. Change who has access this. So anyone with the link here is able to access it. So I click on this and then it moves automatically into this folder. And then I move to another year 1 again, math here. So test and assessment here. You see here year 3. Year 3 is not in this folder. You click Control X to cut it out. Move back, move back, move back here. You move to year 3, and then you can put your document in this folder here, test and assessment. Click on this. You control V here, and then you can move your document into these folders. Example here, I'm gonna see here example RJ, he has already uploaded his document into this folder, and other teachers, they also create the exercises here. Example Yumna, here I think Ben, yeah, Ben, he has uploaded his document here, and Imi, Yumna upload the document into this folder. Okay, one more thing, you can click on my tribe here. If everyone want to create Google Slide, you just click on this and then you move to Google Slide, and then you can put the Google Slide name. Please wait patiently. You can delete this one out, or this is the template. You can choose this template to put in your background here. So you can choose any of it. If you like this one, you click on this, click on this, insert all slide here. You can insert here all slide, so it gonna appear here. Okay, so it look very beautiful. You can decorate your template, your slide presentation look very nice. Okay, so here you can rename your slide, your presentation name. Example, I put here health, about health. You can say healthy food and unhealthy. Example, so you can name here example healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay, so you can create a question here. You can, this one, if you want to delete, you can delete it out. You want, To delete, you can delete it out, or this is a folder, okay, or template. You can create your own if you want to make your own here. If you want to insert a picture, example, if you want to insert this is from computer, another option, you can choose the word insert image, and then you can search from web. You click here and then you can search example, burger. Okay, so you can add in, insert here, and then you can ask the student, you can make a question. Asking a student, is it healthy food, or is it healthy or unhealthy? Okay, is it healthy or unhealthy food? You can put the word food here. So your student gonna answer this question, gonna respond to your question. And then you can give a prompt or give the answer for the student. It is, and then let the student write by themselves. And next one here, you can asking them question, and then search another picture. You put here omelette. Example here, omelette. Oh, it's quite slow. So okay, it's working now. So you can asking the student question. You can copy this question. Is it healthy or unhealthy food? If you want to make this text into animation, you click more, click animate, and then you click by paragraph. Okay, by paragraph here, it means that the question is going to appear first, and then when you click, you press another button, another click, it's gonna appear the answer here. So I can highlight here to red, and then it will be very common and easy for the student. This you also can make it. This you can highlight with red, and then you can add animation. You click on this. So let's see here, slideshow. You click on slideshow here. You can see. You can ask the student question by having this picture. Everyone, is it healthy or unhealthy food? So you can show this question to them, and then the student is gonna answer. It is healthy, or it is not healthy. Or maybe you can ask another question. What is it? It is a burger. So you can show here the answer. You highlight to red. Okay, and this one you can make bigger. The font size here you can make it bigger. So you can see again here. The first just only the picture. You can ask the student, and then you can show them the question. What is it? And then the student is gonna answer. It is a burger. Okay, example. Is it healthy or unhealthy? So you can keep asking the student question. You can create the question in advance and along with the picture. So it will be very easy for the student to get well with the lesson that you have already prepared. All right, thank you. See you next video.